I'm Gary Vandewater, and I've been the owner of Outdoor Accents for 28 years. We are located at 1238 Route 104 in Ontario, New York, near Slocum Road. People choose us first to buy sheds, gazebos, outdoor furniture, and playhouses because of our great selection and Amish-made style and quality. And remember that delivery and placement is free. Recently, we had a call from the Fagetti family who bought a shed from us around 15 years ago and it had to be moved.
Unfortunately, our yard is very slopey, a lot of hills and rough terrain, so it was pretty tricky to try and fit it in between the trees.
We brought our state-of-the-art mule that could move their 11 by 17 shed to within inches of their new desired location, and they were very happy.
It's been really great all these years later. The shed's held up beautifully, beautiful product, and no one else I'd rather give the business to than Gary.
See our great selections of sheds and gazebos, check out our special pricing, and remember, delivery and placement is free.